Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 7th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2022. It's pie season, my friends. So it's time to get your pie crust ready and your filling together. It's time to bake some delicious pies for Thanksgiving. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a classic Southern pie recipe. We're going to make a buttermilk pie. And the buttermilk pie is like a chest pie, has a custard filling, and it is the bomb.com delicious. And it is so simple and easy to make. Y'all going to love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pie recipes playlist, my Thanksgiving recipes playlist, and my previous video, Soulful Green Beans. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your eggs, and your buttermilk sugar, because we're about to bake some buttermilk pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. And we're going to whip these on medium speed until they're frothy. Alright, my friends, our eggs is nice and frothy. And this is what they look like, a pale yellow color. So now into our eggs, we're going to add in 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature. That's a half a cup. 1.5 cups of white sugar and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're going to mix these together until they're well combined on medium speed. All right, my friends, this is what our filling looks like. A nice creamy paste. That looks great. So now there's a few more things we got to add to it. Our buttermilk, this is 1 cup at room temperature. And this is my homemade buttermilk recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. A pinch of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll put the recipe to that down below in the description box. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. And all we do is fold these in. You can smell the vanilla and the almond extract and the lemon juice. Smells incredible. And if it curdles, that's all right. It's all good. All right, my friends, and just that quickly, our pie filling is complete. And how simple and easy was that? Easy peasy. Now we're ready to pour it into our pie crust. We're going to pour it in the 9-inch pie crust. And this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to the recipe down below in the description box. And it's unbaked. You can also use refrigerated pie crust or frozen pie crust. If using a frozen pie crust, make sure you thaw it out and use a deep dish. Alrighty, now we're ready to put our buttermilk pie in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees and we're going to let it bake for about 50 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern buttermilk pie. Don't that look good? And it smells amazing. The filling is nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to let it cool for about 15 minutes and then I'll cut me up a slice and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, a great big southern slice, and I'm serving it with some whipped cream on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Mmm. Nice and creamy. And the crust is perfectly cooked. Great balance of flavors. This is a fantastic buttermilk pie, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This is another bite. I'm grabbing a little whipped cream. Mmm. Yum-o. Buttermilk pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Thanksgiving.